just stand there. Adventure awaits. Adventure and a princess. And night never keeps a princess waiting, huh?
Must be a fair bit of coin to be had saving a princess, yeah?
You trouble yourself overmuch with the mundane, my friend. This is a quest for love. Now, quickly, to the Cyclops lair. And always remember to take the scenic route. Life's too short, Squire! This one-eyed fiend holds my beauty captive. Who knows how many brave souls have died by its hand trying to rescue her as we do now. Squire, look! The monster's mushroom minions! We must defeat them!
Hope you're carrying coins. Don't kill me. Here you like stepping away. That's the way, you little rot blossom.
You died.
Such a murderous mushroom! Out! Damn!
How of a mistake. Where's the Cyclops? You don't see the giant with one eye? He's right in front of you, girl!
Oh, wait. Does this guy think the clock tower with one eye is a Cyclops? And we're just going along with it? I mean, he needs help, like professionally.
You're rolling dice with a teenager to swing imaginary swords, boo-boo.
Okay, I see your point.
Now that's more like it!
We've set the Cyclops into a frenzy! Quickly, my friend! We must fight back, lest he kill us both!
Oh no, I'm so scared! This princess better be worth it.
Finish our foe! Harry! Riposte! Remise! Prise d'affaires! Moulinet! S'il vous plaît! Pourquoi pas? Ah, that's not it! Cyclops is down, but who knows for how long? Quickly, Squire, quickly! To the castle skip! Afore he rises! Oh, misery! Thy name is Rivote! The Cyclops jawed me with some foul irony. I can scarce go on, but hark! I hear the princess cry! Press on without me! Find the princess!
I've heard enough screams to know the real deal. I'll find that princess, don't you worry. Getting the hang of this killing. What am I feeding you? Am I supposed to be feeding you? Can't wait to throw some spills! Ah, bollocks. Thought there was a real princess for a moment there. Well, I can't go back empty-handed. Come on, princess, you're coming with me.
You're back! Ah, my heart swells to know my laugh is near. Have you brought me my sweet, sweet daffodil?
Of course I have. One princess, as promised. Having fun, little fungus?
Why, Squire, you must be quite blind to think this common maid a princess. Meaning no offense, madame. The princess has the tall and straight-back bearing of royalty, the slim silhouette of noble refinement, and has long blonde hair, straight as a quiver of golden arrows. Quickly, quickly, go get the real princess! I cannot apologize enough for my squire's behavior.
Tall, slim, blonde. You must be the princess.
Squire, where are you? I feel my heartstrings tag, which can only mean you'll have the princess. To my side, make haste!
Appreciate the assist, little one.
Have you the princess at last?
Aye, here she is. I think. What an epic belly rub you shall have!
Ah, now that we are reunited, our quest nears its end. But what's this? It seems the Cyclops is up, and is none too pleased with us. He summons his horticultural horde. Come, Squire, to arms! Ah, my darling princess. In the scant few hours we've been parted, I have read you a dozen poems. I beg you, allow me to spill forth a lyric or five, that I might express my overflowing affection before it drowns me. This one I wrote when I tripped on a rock and forest. When first I beheld you, vision so sweet, I fumbled my step. You slipped me and tripped me right off my feet. I'd even say, in a word, you swear it. Do you like it? You hate it, don't you? Your silence speaks clearer than my poetry could ever express. really upset. These words came to me in a dream. A very short dream, mind you, but such a dream it was. Whether a tavern or two, my love, she lights up any room. My floor's never dusty. She is my trusty. Right. Face. See? Love sweeps away the dust. Like a brush, or feather duster, or some third thing sweeps. Yeah? It's a metaphor. Did you think for a second I would leave you in the clutches of the wretched one I missed? Hey, every moment I learned of your circumstance, I took action straight away. I made camp to wait for my squire to arrive to help me rescue you. Then, while my squire retrieved you, I single-handedly kept the Cyclops at bay. 'Tis true, but
Does this guy ever shut up?
I've seen this happen before. He's in a love trance. We're gonna have to get physical to snap him out of it.
No way, girl. I only narrate up to 5th base. After that, you're on your own.
No, I'm saying we have to hit him. Get your mind out of the... Wait, what's 5th base?
You don't know 5th base? 5th base is tea and crumpets, but without a chaperone. Ooh, just talking about it feels scandalous.
Wait, I thought fifth base was exchanging file directories with totally lossless compression.
Thank you. I was miles away. Now, we make good our escape. Don't just stand there. Adventure awaits. Adventure and a princess. And night never keeps a princess waiting, huh? Squire, your quest is complete, and yet, I confess, ours is just beginning. We must away to that grand adventure called love. Remember all I've taught you, and you shall go far. This world is full of adventures. You need only keep your eyes and your heart ever open to its wonder. Now, bid me adieu, fair squire, for I must away with a swiftness. A knight never keeps a princess waiting, after all.
Oh, go on then, get out of here. And best of luck to you both.
Adventure!
That's not what I expected. I'm becoming a right bloody menace.